There's nothing better than success. So we got our dental plan here, our dental job. Everything's back. We got our new pitch wheel installed here as well. Not pitch wheel, but the panel. And it's on. It's hard to play while I'm recording, but it's working. Everything's clean. Feels good. Yep. Keyboard's done. So this is done. Keyboard's done. Next up is the panel, power cord, all that fun, new light, and also the replacement inlays for these knobs. Got those coming as well today. Hopefully today. Alright, well, we'll see when we get to the next part. But keyboard is... working good.